When I first started installing car stereos, I used to use butt connectors, and there's nothing wrong with that, but now I usually always solder my wire harness. The main challenge I had was separating the wires so I can solder them individually, so my boy Drew from Basaholics made me this soldering station. A few months later, he checked in on me to see how the product was holding up. I said, man, it's working perfect. And then he asked, is there anything that I would change? All I said is that I would like more fingers. A few hours later, he makes this. 200 grams of 12 perfectly individually spaced slots with my logo and my website embedded on one side and where to buy them from with his logo on the other. You might be thinking, why do we actually land on 12 slots? Well, it's kind of easy. You're at least going to have 8 speaker wires, 2 whites, 2 grays, 2 greens, and 2 purples. You're going to have 3 power wires. You're going to have a 12-volt constant, an ignition, and a ground. And we left 1 slot for that remote turn on so you can turn on your amplifiers inside the vehicle. As far as navigation outputs, that parking brake and speed sense is already going to have 2 wires on the touchscreen that had to be hardwired inside the vehicle, and it usually comes with about 10 to 12 feet of wire, so there's no need to solder that one. As I like to make a quick disconnection for the reverse wire, and as far as power antenna, dimmer, and illumination, those wires may not have to be installed depending on the vehicle that you have or the radio that you're installing. Now, we could have put 20 fingers on there, but at that point you're going to be stretching the wire harness out so far apart it might not reach, so we kept it compact and focused on the main 12. This your boy JP signing out. God bless you, and if you want one, go to basaholic.com.